1 big size sliced onion. Sauté until it's golden. Now add paste of 1 onion. Let it cook for 2 minutes. Add paste of 2 big tomatoes. Add 1½ tablespoon of salt. 2 tablespoons of red chili flakes. Green chilies. Add ginger garlic paste. Now add potatoes in it and let it cook for 7 minutes. Now add chicken in it. Cook on low flame for 10 minutes. Now add 2 glasses of water in it and let it boil for a few minutes. Like, share, subscribe. It's perfectly ready. Serve and enjoy.